Hello friends, in this video we're gonna review a Bluetooth speaker from Soundbot SB571. In the box we get speaker, aux cable and USB cable, and instruction manual. The speaker can be used via aux cable or Bluetooth, and it gives a playback time of around 10 hours from Bluetooth and 12 hours via aux cable. It has 33-foot wireless range. The unit contains two 6-watt speakers and a microphone built in for attending calls. It has a 1000 mAh lithium-ion battery, and all this with a net weight of 340 grams. If you're an iPhone user, so you can check the battery percentage level in your phone only. And there is assistant access feature. So by holding the call button you can access Siri or Google Assistant. So as you can see, it's a very nice quality speaker. It's a very well built in. And here is the rubberized button on the top of the speaker, which gives nice access to control the things. And in the back we have an on-off switch, an aux cable and a micro USB port for charging. And there's a LED indicator which indicates the device is turned on or pairing. Let's test time. The sound from the speaker is crystal clear and has a very deep dynamic bass. You can buy this unit around $25 or 1500 Indian rupees, and at the end it's a worth buying product. It delivers amazing output according to its size, which is decent according to the device. It's a definitely recommended speaker. Thanks for watching.